So here we are. You might hear the dryer in the background. Right now what I'm doing, well, first, it's all done. Well, not all done. It's almost all the way done. I have to figure out exactly what I'm going to do with this, if I'm going to round this out a little bit. And also, I've already put these on, and it's a little sloppy back here. And I'll show you in just a sec. But right now I'm cutting the sole, and as you can see, I'm just going to cut that back and around. I don't think I'm going to get it to look, I'm telling you what, I've seen a video where this guy took his, it almost looked like a paint scraper and just went around it like he was a madman. I'm not doing it like a madman. I'm kind of taking my time. I'm going to cut around it, and you can see, I don't know how well you'll be able to see that. Let's see. But this rubber has the reinforcing, and I don't know if that's fiberglass or what, so it's kind of hard to cut. So I've been using the skiving knife, and it's sharp. That baby is sharp. But I'm going to put them on, and I'll show you what they look like with them on in a second. Give me a sec. Alright, so there we are. Now, the one on the left over here has just a leather sole, and that is before I clipped stuff off the top. Basically, this is how much I took off. So this is what I'll be taking off of this one to make it like this, because I had both of the templates all cut out, and the one on the right was the same as the one on the left. But I made the left one and it didn't quite fit right, so I made some alterations and also decided to add a sole. So let me pop these off a second. We'll throw them on the table a second. You can take a look at what they look like. Right here. Now, this is the leather one, and this is the rubber sole that I'm still working on. And I am going to make this one. I'm going to pop the stitch all the way around and cut it down, and it's going to look exactly like this one. But yeah, I mean, they came out pretty good. It took this took probably 7 hours to make. So I'll have 14 hours into both of them probably. Probably this next one won't take as long. Live and learn. I tell you what, there's a lot of little things that you learn. But I'm going to cut them down, and then I'll show you what they look like.